Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Support healthy blood sugar levels with this shockingly effective water. Okra is a comfort food in some parts of the world, often served battered and fried. It nevertheless has numerous health benefits when prepared properly. Also known as ladyfingers, bhindi or bamia, okra is a pod vegetable. Although many people are not aware that there is a well-established connection between okra and diabetes treatment. Although all studies in this area to date have been performed on animals and the evidence is hard to deny. Managing blood sugar levels. One study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences found that diabetic rats given a solution of water with okra soaked in it had lower blood sugar levels than the control group of rats, who were given a cellulose gums instead. The study concluded that the seeds and peel of the okra plant have anti-diabetic properties. The present study for the first time confirms that A. exculentus peel and seed possess blood glucose normalization and lipid profiles lowering action in diabetic condition. Recipe to prepare okra water for diabetes treatment. Some people claim that okra water can help stave off the development of type 2 diabetes and help individuals maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Wash 4 or 5 medium-sized okra pods. Clip both ends of the pods, then split the pods in half or pierce each side of the pods with a knife. Place the pods in a large mason jar, then cover them with water. Soak the pods overnight at least 8 hours up to 24 hours. In the morning, squeeze the pods into the water to release any leftover sap. Throw the pods away and drink the water. What to do when fresh okra isn't available? Because okra is a seasonal vegetable, it may not be available or affordable year-round. While most of the research on okra's anti-diabetic properties focus on fresh okra, you can also try using freeze-dried or canned okra to create okra water. Combining okra water with other methods of treating or preventing diabetes may give you a better overall results. Safety concerns. It is important to note that while okra water may be right for you if you are managing your diabetes through diet and exercise, it isn't always safe to consume if you are also taking specific diabetic drugs. Okra water also isn't a cure-all. There is no substitute for a healthy diet and plenty of exercise after all. While okra water may be able to help lower blood sugar levels, drinking it doesn't give you a free pass to consume sugary and processed foods in abundance. Be aware of what you are eating and manage your diet according to your body's needs, and you'll be surprised how great you feel. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.